So sometimes you go to conferences and it's just, you hear a bunch of stuff and then you walk away and you know that was a nice weekend, but you don't know what next, what do I do next, or who do I be next, as Van Jones said. And I did not feel that way at all here. I felt very clear that there are steps that I personally can take to make a difference in the areas that make a difference to me right now. This is everybody's struggle now. I mean, there was a point in time when I felt like as a black woman, there was a black person struggle. Or as a woman, there's a woman struggle. But this feels like right now, this is everybody's struggle. And people are coming out and standing up for each other in a way that I could not have imagined. I mean, we had a conversation yesterday in my small group about, dare I say, a good thing about Trump? No. A positive thing about Hillary not winning is that people are woke in a way that they probably would not have been had she won. And these issues were always there, but they would have stayed suppressed possibly. And this has allowed them to rise to the surface, and now we can actually address them and hopefully move forward.